Hello and welcome back in second episode of 10 minutes a day. My name is Gyan, the humble guy from last episode, trying to serve what I got in my plate, summarize in less than 10 minutes, but with little improvements. So today I actually plan to go ahead and start with the micromanagement template and explain how I'm using it and how it could be better for you. But before that, I felt that I should be at least covering little more about this 10 minutes a day concept and share some tips uh, about it. So in case if you are starting up, you can have help from it. Then, so the first thing that I want to talk about it, where is this concept from, right? So even though this idea hit me up a day, but it's not mine. I got it from internet. This 10 minutes a day thing is more related to fitness, where people are encouraged to perform uh, workouts for 10 minutes a day for their overall well-being. And I don't really need to pull the results data, but if you'll just Google search, you will find the success stories of people by yourself who are saying that they are actually getting benefit out of it. And where this concept is related from. So this whole 10 minutes concept is actually related to the principle of consistency, a very simple but very powerful formula which brings the idea of making progress every day, no matter how small, to achieve your goals and build habits. And the most powerful technique of this is uh, Pomodoro technique, where you simply pick a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, work on it, and once that 25 minutes timer is over, you take a break, no matter whether your task is finished or not. But for now, we are not going with that 25 minutes, we are simply going with 10 minutes to make it more effective. And the goals that I'm looking forward to achieve with this 10 minutes concept, because uh, are simply to get up at 4 a.m. Like I said earlier, I need some motivation why I want to wake up at 4 a.m. Right? So the first thing that I wanted is get up at 4 a.m. But the problem with me was like I said earlier, I used to sleep at 4, 5 or 6 a.m. in the early. So when I decided that from now on I'll get up at 4 instead of sleeping at 4, the problem that I faced was like uh, I was not able to sleep before 12, even though I planned that I'll go on bed by 10. I kept found myself being on bed sleepless till it's 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. in the morning, in the night. So I recently changed that approach. I decided that I'll wake up instead of focusing on sleeping thing, I'll simply choose to wake up at 4 or sleep after 8 a.m. unless there is a do or die situation. Then the next thing that I want to achieve is learn for an hour and summarize it in 10 minutes. So for this was to build that communication and confidence thing. And here I'm simply doing is I take any book, any article, any video, or anything. I simply learn from learn it, watch it, read it for an hour. Then I make a version out of it, my own one, that summarizes the whole thing less than 10 minutes. Then the next thing is record it and post it. Once you have that whole summary in 10 minutes, it's time to record it and post it on YouTube. Use their free storage for your benefit to save your data so that you can look back at it whenever you want from anywhere in the world. Then the last thing is pitfalls, and this one was the reason why I choose to uh, extend, create one more video on this whole concept because we, even though we plan good things, we always fail is because someone in our head, the one named as I name as master procrastinator or the procrastinator brain, which what actually it does, it keep telling us the negative sides to keep us safe, right? Because every time when we try something new, we are open to new risks or dangers. So it keeps trying to find the excuses or the unknown dangers which maybe or may not be existing. It keeps telling us that if this could be the issue, this could be the issue, or this could be the issue, and the list keeps going on. So I try to cover these excuses that my procrastinator brain used to give me, and I believe you might be having the same as well. So the first thing with whole 10 minutes thing was I feel shy making videos, and I don't know how to get this video thing done because I was feeling very shy. So the reason I found out was because when I tried with camera on, there was more than 5, 6 things I was focusing on at once. It whether it was my facial expression, how I'm looking, how my background is, how my script is, how my content is, how I'm speaking. When I'm focusing on all of them at once, so at the end, ultimately, I was forgetting things. I was not getting enough time to think and speak. So I just simply switched to this PPT thing where I make a headline, I take the headline, I try to speak on that. Then the next thing is I don't have content. That's the most common excuse. Even if you manage to convince yourself to make videos. So the simple answer is nobody has if you are just starting, and that's why that 10 minute, 1 hour learning is there. Learn from it, summarize it, and you have the content. Record, keep it simple, right? And if somehow you manage to convince yourself that now you have content, the third would might be is like I tried, but the results are not that good. So for this, it is like you are expecting to be someone in a day which people are generally taking years to be. It's not possible, right? Uh, there are people who are working hard over the time. They build that confidence thing, that communication, that tone, that voice. So it is going to take that time. Just keep going on. If you'll stop, nothing is going to happen. So if you manage to overcome all these three challenges, you might want to ask the next thing is, can I grow my YouTube channel, make money out of it? So I don't know the definite answer for that. It's a pretty long road, and maybe it will work, but for now my goal is not that, so I cannot comment on that. And if you are planning to do this, to be honest, this might not be the right tool for you. And the last one is I feel like getting up from my bed after I wake up in the morning. And this one is my absolute favorite because every day I wake up and I don't feel like getting up from my bed. And it's the toughest one to crack. So, until recently, when I found that person and we started working on this together, holding accountability for each other. And that accountability thing solved this whole problem. So I would suggest find someone from your friend circle and start working uh, on this with them, and it will help you. And if you don't have friend circle, that good friend circle, or maybe you don't want to involve them, you can simply save this QR and join the WhatsApp community that I have created. I'm planning to have a WhatsApp community where we can have a shared accountability for each of us and grow together, like I said earlier. So just scan the QR, join the community, and we will get things done together, right? It's better to have more than one. So you can also invite your friends or family if you like to, and it's completely free. There is no charges or anything like that. So yeah, just save the QR and then let me know. Also, if you want to ask anything else, just let me know. Thank you. See you on the other side.